Do you want to know how to make money online as a freelancer? In 2026, the possibilities are endless, with a variety of websites offering opportunities to work from the comfort of your own home or anywhere you choose. If you've got a skill, there's a platform that can help you turn it into cash. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's where we come in. In today's video, we're going to break down the top 8 freelance websites you should consider if you want to earn money online. Whether you're a writer, a designer, or a developer, these platforms offer something for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Upwork. When it comes to freelancing, Upwork is often the first platform that comes to mind. It's one of the largest and most versatile freelance platforms, offering job opportunities in almost every niche imaginable. Whether you're in writing, web development, graphic design, marketing, or IT, Upwork is a great place to find a wide variety of freelance gigs. The platform allows you to work with clients on either an hourly or fixed-price basis, meaning you can decide how you want to structure your work. What makes Upwork stand out is the sheer volume of work available. You can browse through job postings, submit personalized proposals, and communicate with clients directly, all through the platform. While it does charge a service fee, ranging from 10% to 15% depending on your earnings with a specific client, the wide range of opportunities makes it a top choice for freelancers looking to work with clients from all over the world. 2. Fiverr. Next up is Fiverr, which has made a name for itself as a go-to platform for creatives and those looking for short, quick freelance jobs. What sets Fiverr apart from other platforms is the gig-based model. Instead of bidding for projects, you create a gig, which is a service you offer, and clients come to you. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, voiceover artist, or digital marketer, Fiverr allows you to package your services in a way that fits your expertise. On Fiverr, you can set your own prices, starting as low as $5, but many freelancers quickly raise their prices as they build up positive reviews and gain more experience. Fiverr's model makes it especially appealing for beginners because clients are actively searching for services like yours. The platform charges a flat 20% commission on all completed orders, but considering the number of potential clients looking for your skills, Fiverr makes it easy to grow your client base and make consistent money. Whether you're just offering a quick fix or a more elaborate service, Fiverr is a fantastic platform for freelancers looking to get started or expand their business. 3. Toptal. Toptal is a platform that caters to the elite of the freelance world. Known for only accepting the top 3% of applicants, Toptal connects freelancers with high-end clients, including well-known companies like Airbnb, Motorola, and JP Morgan. If you're an experienced software developer, designer, project manager, or finance expert, Toptal may be the perfect platform for you. The process to get started on Toptal is more demanding than other platforms, as they require freelancers to pass a rigorous screening process that includes skill tests, English evaluations, and live project assessments. However, if you make the cut, you gain access to some of the highest-paying freelance opportunities available. Toptal doesn't charge freelancers any fees, which means you keep 100% of your earnings. If you're an experienced professional looking for a platform that connects you to top-tier clients and high-paying projects, Toptal offers an exclusive environment to take your freelance career to the next level. 4. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the oldest and most established freelance platforms, and it offers a wide variety of projects. What makes Freelancer.com unique is its bidding system. You find projects that match your skill set, and then you place a bid to win the job. It's a great way for freelancers to get competitive with others in their industry and showcase their abilities to potential clients. The platform's bidding system allows you to set your price and compete against other freelancers, which can make it more challenging, but also rewarding when you win. Freelancer.com charges a fee of about 10% or $5, whichever is higher, but that fee is relatively standard across many freelance platforms. Additionally, Freelancer.com also features design contests where you can submit your work and compete for prizes. It's a great way to build up your portfolio and gain exposure. If you're someone who enjoys competing and wants to work on a variety of projects, Freelancer.com can offer you a great range of opportunities. 5. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based freelance platform that focuses on helping freelancers connect with clients globally. What sets People Per Hour apart is its AI-powered matching system, which automatically pairs freelancers with relevant jobs based on their profiles and skill set. It's a great platform for content creators, SEO experts, web developers, and other professionals who want to find work quickly without having to spend too much time searching. People per hour allows freelancers to either post offers, similar to Fiverr's gigs, or bid on specific projects. The platform takes a sliding commission, which starts at 20% for lower earnings but decreases to 3.5% as you build up a long-term relationship with clients. Whether you're looking for one-off gigs or long-term projects, People per Hour offers flexibility and a streamlined experience that allows you to focus more on your work and less on finding it. The AI matching system makes it one of the more efficient platforms to use for those looking for reliable freelance work. 6. Flex Jobs. If you're tired of sifting through job postings that turn out to be scams or low-quality opportunities, Flex Jobs might be the answer. Unlike many other platforms, Flex Jobs specializes in curating only legitimate, hand-screened remote jobs and freelance roles. It's a subscription-based platform where you pay a fee to access a list of job postings from reputable companies. Flex Jobs offers opportunities across various fields, from writing and editing to marketing and accounting, and is especially useful for professionals seeking flexible, work-from-home jobs. While you do need to pay a small subscription fee, usually around $2.95 for a trial, Flex Jobs is worth it for those serious about finding genuine, scam-free remote work. The subscription gives you access to jobs that are safe, well-compensated, and offer the flexibility you need to balance your personal and professional life. 7. 99 Designs. For graphic designers, illustrators, and web designers, 99 Designs is one of the best platforms to showcase your skills. The platform focuses exclusively on design work, making it a great choice for creatives who want to work with clients looking for high-quality visual assets. On 99 Designs, freelancers can either work directly with clients or enter design contests where they can submit their work to compete for jobs. The platform offers great opportunities for both beginners looking to build a portfolio and seasoned professionals looking for larger, more lucrative projects. Fees vary from 5% to 15%, depending on your level as a designer, and there is also a $100 introduction fee for new clients. If you're a designer looking for consistent work and a strong creative community, 99 Designs offers a platform that caters to your niche. 8. LinkedIn Services Marketplace. Last but not least, LinkedIn Services Marketplace is a platform that allows you to promote your freelance services directly through your LinkedIn profile. With over 1 billion users on LinkedIn, it's an excellent opportunity to gain visibility and attract clients who already know you or who are looking for your expertise. What makes LinkedIn different from other platforms is that it's not solely a freelance marketplace. It's a professional network that can help you connect with potential clients organically. Once you create a service page, clients can find you via search or recommendations. The platform doesn't charge freelancers any fees, and you're free to set your own prices. If you're already active on LinkedIn and have a well-established network, listing your freelance services can be an easy way to connect with clients who are looking for professionals with your skill set. There you have it. From Upwork to LinkedIn, these top 8 freelance websites offer a wide variety of opportunities for freelancers in 2026. Whether you're a creative professional, developer, or designer, there's a platform out there for you. Each one offers unique features, fee structures, and opportunities to help you earn money online. The key is choosing the right platform that aligns with your skills and goals. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the best freelance websites and want to stay updated with more valuable tips, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.